number 10. Today's the day. I'm starting my first cooking video today. I'm gonna go make a bomb-ass bowl of chili on the beach, because who ever made chili on the beach? I don't know about you, but can't think of anybody. But anyways, thanks for joining. I hope you're having a good day today. And yeah, we'll see you there. Walmart. We gotta get another camping stove because you already know mine is old and crusty and dusty, but we are packed up. Let's go get that stove, fools. Shell Island. This is so nice. We're gonna get out to our cooking spot, unload the truck real fast, and call it a day. We'll see you out there. Keep the ride. Got the kayak with the chair. Got my food. And just like that, Mr. Vlog, we have finished our cooking video. Here's our remnants. I did make this fire pot of chili. I'm gonna pack it up. The bowl we made, the rice was made with salt water, so it's really salty. So I'm gonna have to throw that away. But the chili was not. No salt water. Well, maybe like a pinch of salt water in there, but it's good for your skin. Anyways, the mosquitoes here are the 9th circle of hell. So we'll catch you back in the city. I am gonna kayak my ass out of here. I'm just gonna hit y'all with the most beautiful Marco Island sunset. Okay, vlog number 10. Downtown today is going to be the car show. You name it, they got it down there. But parking is absolutely horrendous, so I'm not gonna be driving my Banana Man today. Instead, I'm gonna be taking la bicicleta. Current bike situation, not very appealing. Take my boy out. Here is the bicicleta. We got a trek in this already. Nope, so beautiful. Put you on, we're gonna bump up these tires, make sure he stays pumped until work. And yeah, just like that, now the bike is all taken care of. I'm gonna go edit my cooking video. Vlog number 10 will be up right now. You already know, you're watching it. So I'm gonna go have a dorasta, eat the pasta, and have a good time. We'll see you later. We are about to go to work. Let's go see some pretty cars on 5th.
Jam. Who's this dude walking down the street looking like he in the zone? They call him cool. Who?
We at Cars on 5th, we downtown. I'm gonna give y'all a quick glimpse of some pretty cars and shit before I head into work and make some bread.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.